What's up, guys? We bought a four-wheeler. Here it is, guys. We bought a 2007 Kawasaki Bayou 250 for, wait for it, guys, wait for it, $400. Yeah, that's right, $400. So today we're gonna see if we can get it started. Yeah, it's really good shape. It really looks in really good shape. Even Cinnamon over there thinks so. What do you think, Cinnamon? Cinnamon. All right. So yeah, let's put the key in there. I did hear it hit, so let's see if it'll start up. I do got some parts coming in today for it. Not gonna lie, I cheated in this video, and we already got the diagnosis process going on here. So let's put the key in, hold the brake, and choke it. See that? Hold on. So anyway, guys, it's a carburetor issue, and I cheated again. Man, I'm cheating a lot here lately. Doing most of my own stuff, and we're gonna put a new carburetor in here. So what it's doing is probably the float stuck and it's flooding out the mouth of the carburetor. So that's what's going on there. We're gonna replace the carburetor, and we'll see if she runs and drives. Maybe we'll test drive this. Maybe we'll race that one, which is a customer's Honda 250. It sets up a little higher against this. Anyway, guys, I'll be back with the parts. Dirt. What's that for? Okay, let's see what we got here. That off. We might actually have to take the plastic off to get to this carburetor. Alright, guys, I'm having a hard time getting the angle, but I got the old carburetor pulled loose. We gotta get this cable unhooked. There ain't a whole lot of room to work here without taking the carburetor or the gas tank off, and I ain't trying to do that right now. So I'm gonna keep on trying without removing the gas tank and see what we can get. Pliers and pull that off. Oh, look at this. Look at this fuel line fell apart. Y'all see that? That was crumbled apart. Alright, let me go get a pair of pliers. Alright, guys, I'm sorry I can't get much of the install video in it. I'm having a difficult time trying to have the camera right here, and it's just in my way. So got the carburetor, just got to pop this back in here and put the rest of it back together, and then we can go for a test drive. we'll see if this $400 four-wheeler will actually run and drive. So stay tuned, guys. New fuel line on, new carburetor on. I still gotta get a couple of clamps so we can test drive it. I'll get a new air filter soon. But right now we're gonna get some gas, and then we'll put gas in here, we'll test fire it, and take it for a test drive. All right, guys, as seen from the cell phone picture here, we had some gas in the crankcase, so we gotta put some fresh oil in there. Oh, we just went with cheap oil and put this in there and see if that fixes the issue. Hopefully no bottom end damage got done, but we'll see. So it starts up and runs, but we have one issue. It revs up too high no matter how I adjust it out. I checked for leaks, checked for vacuum leak and stuff. Couldn't find one. I think the Chinese carburetor, it might be ported wrong or something. So I'm gonna rebuild that Mikuni sometime this week. I'll do a video. There'll be more videos to come on this. I ain't gonna race today in this video like I planned because it is still needs a little bit more work. Anyway, we can still run it. We can still drive it right now for this video. Uh-oh. Hold on. Alright, y'all can hear it. See how it revs up high? Oh, there we go. Now how it revs up high, it shouldn't be this high. But I'm gonna switch all over here to a different mount. I got a different mount on. We're gonna try it out. I've been wanting to get one of these mounts, but I think it'd be better on test drive videos, so let's do this. And there you have it, folks. I know the video ain't as good as it should have been, what I had planned out in my head, but it was my birthday dinner today. I was excited to try to get this going, and so all the footage that I had planned out in my head did not get done. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna rebuild that Mikuni, the original carburetor, and put it back on here because I think that's the issue, because I can't find the vacuum leak. The cable seems okay, and it revs too high. When we shift, we had to put it in half choke, or it revs too high to shift. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for this video. We'll do more videos on this soon. I gotta get front tires for it, back tires for it, redo that carburetor, and I think that's about it. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will see y'all next time at Shop. Thanks for watching, everybody. Later.